Our ancestors watched the stars the way we scroll screen because signs don't appear without purpose. Tonight's meteor shower is one of them. There, some Igbo futurist thinkers describe Orion as Ikenga Igwe, the sky warlord. But to our ancestors, the stars were never mere shapes in the dark. They were messages signaling rain, planting, migration, and fate. This triggers space rocks hitting our sky at 160,000 km per hour. It starts as a tiny asteroid, then burns into the shooting star you see from Earth. Good news, tonight's meteor shower is visible worldwide. Lagos, London, New York. Just look northeast after midnight. Grab a blanket. Let's stargaze together. The iron in your blood, same origin as these meteors. You are watching pieces of the universe that made you. Comment if you see a shooting star. We are children of the universe. Tonight, the universe is waving back.